And then the final building block of ADKARs are reinforcement to sustain the change. That we know we will slide back to what we used to know if we don't reinforce. There are certainly factors that help us make sure the change sticks, things like accountability, the removal or absence of negative consequences, and celebrations and recognition of progress, getting that pat on the back, the thank you. Those are the things that are important around reinforcement. Now, my observation here is that it is our natural physical and psychological tendency to revert back to what we know. Comfort is a very powerful thing. And there's actually research showing that, it takes more glucose for the brain to do something different than to do things how it always has. So it's our natural tendency to go back. Reinforcement then is critical to sustain the progress and to make sure the change sticks. But reinforcement must be meaningful. And so my question to you that just popped up on the poll is, what attributes make reinforcement meaningful? Because in order for reinforcement to really ensure that the change sticks, it must be meaningful. It must be meaningful to the person who's receiving it. It must be meaningful relative to the, I think, accomplishment or the change that was made. Look at this word cloud here. It involves recognition, it is timely, it's sincere, it is credible, it is relevant, it is authentic, it's consistent. Yeah, look at all these things. Like, don't give baseball tickets to somebody who doesn't like baseball. Don't applaud somebody for something that they didn't think they actually accomplished. Like, we must be consistent and sincere and authentic and relevant. That doesn't mean we don't celebrate small things. Don't get me wrong. Throw a humongous celebration for those very small steps that are going to start to build the momentum in the right direction. But let's be sure that we are reinforcing true performance, a true change that has been demonstrated, and that the reinforcement is meaningful to the person who's receiving it.